Hey everyone, my name is Danillian and I'm a beauty expert at Shoppers Drug Mart. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get this easy contoured highlight look. Let's get started! So I'm going to start by contouring the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm also going to start contouring the hairline of my forehead just to warm it up a bit. Then I'm going to just chisel out my jawline just to give it that sharp look. Now I'm going to use my Nars blush just to give me a glow on my cheeks and swipe it across my nose to give me that sun-kissed look without the damage. Great tip, just take some bronzer and blush and sweep it over your eyelids to give you that awake look just in case you're feeling a little dull. Next, I'm going in with highlighter and I'm super obsessed with that glow, so I love to go in with a C formation and right under the brow bone. Because I'm so extra, I love to take this gloss and just put it on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my lips. Now I'm going to be taking a glowy setting spray and just locking in this look. And there you go. This is my easy way for a natural, everyday, glowy look.